Hey, Mopar Chris here. So I forgot to film little bits on the way, but basically, yeah, first gen is 5-speed now. It's out of the garage. I have it up here loaded down with a bunch of trash and cardboard I've been collecting. All I really need to do is fix up the reservoir and then make a sweet shifter for it. I'll open the door. And then get a shifter boot. I think the one will swap over, but I'd like something newer. So, and then I probably am going to make a different shifter arm itself, the handle. Yeah, and of course later on, take the automatic out. That might confuse the state inspection guy. Which shifter is it? All right, so that's that. One Dodge down, another one to go. Please like, share, and subscribe. Mopar Chris, signing out.